Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is next generation YFQ42A combat drone crashes in test flight prompting investigation and flight pause. General Atomics Aeronautical Systems said a YFQ42A unmanned combat aerial vehicle experienced a mishap during a test flight on April 6. The incident occurred shortly after takeoff from a company-owned airfield in the California desert at approximately 1 p.m. Pacific time. The company confirmed that no injuries were reported. Flight test operations have been temporarily paused as a precaution while an investigation is conducted. General Atomics said it is assessing the condition of the aircraft and working to determine the root cause of the incident. Officials noted that it is too early to draw conclusions about the circumstances. At this early stage, it would be premature to speculate on the circumstances, the company said. As with any program, we follow a disciplined investigation process to understand exactly what occurred, and our focus right now is on gathering data and ensuring we learn from this event. The YFQ42A is being developed under the Collaborative Combat Aircraft Program for the U.S. Air Force. The aircraft involved is one of several production representative platforms currently in the technical maturation and risk reduction phase. These aircraft are conducting regular test and evaluation flights at company-operated facilities. General Atomics said operations will resume once it is deemed appropriate to do so. Safety is our top priority, for our people and the public. In this case, established procedures and safeguards worked as intended, and there were no injuries, said C. Mark Brinkley. We're going to take a close look at what happened, gather all the data, and allow the investigation to guide us moving forward. The YFQ42A remains one of two designs selected as finalists in the CCA program. The platform is intended to operate alongside manned aircraft and support missions such as suppression of enemy air defenses and controlled weapons employment. The incident comes as the United States and its partners continue developing advanced unmanned combat systems. Officials said the program remains focused on testing, evaluation, and refining operational capabilities. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.